Yeah, totally land.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Nandito kami sa aming mismo. Ito yung mga welder supervisor from Spain. Si we make a planning or pattern for cut the plate pattern for the plate in the tank so that we install preparation. Our vessel right now they have maintenance. Before we cut the plate, we must make plan first and cut the plate, make the meter to be sure the the plate is good, capacity is good. Okay, this is my friend from Malaysia, welder. Oh, copy, and also my friend from Malaysia, oiler, huh? Okay, number one oiler. Okay, Roland Malaysia. This is my good friend from Spain, the supervisor in welder. And how can you explain being a supervisor in a good way in welder?
Okay, the welder try to make a template
Okay, template.
to renew the steel damage
Oh, damage.
down below the tank.
Okay.
And the tail leader, before I start to cut on the plate, he check with the template if the template is okay.
Oh, okay.
And he find a mistake on the template, and now we need to make a new template.
Okay.
Check again the measurements and make a new radio.
Okay.
Okay? Enough for you, the explanation?
Good. How's Spain now?
Spain now is very good. Spain is very good all year long.
Yellow, cold. Winter time?
Depends where you live. If you live on the north, you have cold. If you live in the south of Spain, you have good weather all year long.
Are you single or double?
No, I single.
Ah, single. Very handsome, huh? Okay, thank you, sir, for your good explanation about the template.
Passport is the number one.
Okay, number one supervisor in welder.
Say hello to everybody in Philippines.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. God bless you.
Welcome.
This is the template, guys, because our vessel now we have maintenance right now in the trunk. Ito yung template kasi kinakat ito, guys, para gawaan ng pattern para pag makumpleto na tama, yun ang ilalagay doon sa plate. See, guys, kung paano nila ginagawa pagkakating ng template. Kailangan mayroon siyang drawing kung ano ang size sa drawing para kukunin ang sukat para perfect, para hindi siya ma-damage. Ito ang ginagawa sa mga welders dito, guys. Itong mga welders itong from Malaysia, expert ito sa mga welding kasi hindi pwede yung ma-damage yung plate kasi very expensive yung plate, guys. Okay, this is DJ Freeman Vlog.